Hello and welcome back once again in English video, and today's in this video we are going to take worksheet number 49, and it is the second part of your continuous tenses. The first part we have done in the previous video and worksheet. Now today we are going to do the second part of continuous tenses. In the previous part we have done the structures and the explanation of these continuous tenses, that how many types of continuous tenses are there and what are the structures that we follow while making sentences according to these tenses. Right now we are going to do the practice exercises on these continuous tenses in this worksheet and video today. Before starting the worksheet and video, I would like to give you some appropriate behavior of COVID-19 which you should follow during this unlock 5. Wear mask, follow physical distancing, maintain hand hygiene. It means that you should always wear mask properly whenever you go out from your house. You should follow the physical distancing by staying at least 6 feet away from others, and also you should maintain the hand hygiene by washing your hands frequently with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember, do not touch your face and do not share your food or drink with others or any other items. And also do not touch your face means that you should not touch your eyes, mouth and nose especially. So these were some COVID-19 appropriate behavior which you should follow during this unlock 5. Now let's begin the video for today. Now this is your submission worksheet and you will be submitting this worksheet on the given date, right? Now before starting your worksheet, you will put the worksheet number, date and day, and also you will put the lesson name, tenses, and in bracket I have written continuous. This is your practice exercise of these tenses. You can also write here part 2, right, like this. I have written in the introduction, but here I have not written anything, so you can add part 2 to this worksheet before doing in your notebooks. Now here this exercise, or you can say this worksheet, is divided into two exercises, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Exercise 1 is having 3 questions and exercise 2 is having only 1 question. So let's begin this video with exercise 1, question number first. Now first is complete the sentences by using the present continuous forms of verbs in the bracket. Now you already know that there are 3 kinds of tenses: present, past and future, and these are, we are doing the continuous form of these tenses: present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. So in whenever we change whenever we use these tenses, we need to change the verb form also according to the tenses. All right, so the main thing in this continuous tense, and it is very easy form of tenses also, you can say, because here in all the 3 tenses, that is present continuous, past continuous and future continuous, we always use the same form of verb. All right, that is your verb plus ing, or you can say verb in the ing form. It means that you have to just add ing to the main verb. For example, if I take the verb dance, for continuous tenses you will add ing to dance. Now it will become dancing, dancing, dancing. If I take a verb walk, so for continuous tense I will add ing to it and it will become the ing form of verb walk. It will become walking. All right. For third example, if I take write, write is the main verb, and for if I am writing a sentence in continuous tense, the verb write I will write in ing form. It means writing, writing. All right. So here the first question, what you have to do is that you have to write the present continuous form of the verb that has been given you in the bracket. Okay, in the bracket you can see the verbs here in the brackets, like use, wash, not, train, play, work. Now these are the verbs, main verbs given to you, and you have to just write the present continuous form of these verbs. Present continuous form of the verbs given in the bracket means that you have to add ing to them, all right, to make it present continuous. So here, and also the if I revise the present tense, sorry, continuous tenses, the structure follows as be plus ing form of verb. Okay, so be means be verbs, or you can say helping verbs. Be verbs means is, am, are, was, were. All right, is, am, are, or was, were plus verb with ing form, right? So this was your structure which you will follow. Now here we have to change this verb which is given in the bracket. So first sentence is you dash my mobile phone. Okay. Now here continuous means we have to add ing to this verb. So it's very easy. We will write you use is given ing, ing. So it is, if the word is ending with e, you will remove e and you will write using, using. But what you have to add is be also, be verb. Be verb means is, am, are. Because it is present, in present continuous, we add is, am, or are before this verb, ing form verb. Okay. So now is, am, are we use according to the subject. Now with subject you, we add are. Now it will become you are using my mobile phone, right? Like this. Basically it means that you just not have to add ing to this verb. Also you have to add a be verb here which suits to this sentence, or which suits to the present continuous form of this verb, right? Now next is my dad dash his car. In the brackets given wash. So my dad dash his car. So wash will become washing. Wash, ing, washing. But what we have to add here? We have to add a be verb also, that is helping verb. You can say my dad, it means it is a singular subject. So with singular subject in present continuous we use is. My dad is washing his car. Are you getting? Now next sentence is it dash today. Now in the bracket it's written not rain. So it means not is given here. What does this mean? That this sentence is in negative form of present continuous. Alright. So we will add not also. So we will write not and rain, and then we will add ing to it. Not raining. But what is missing here? A helping verb is missing here. So it is again a singular subject. So we will use here is. So what is the sentence now? It is not raining today. Right? Next is dash they dash chess and question mark. Now this question mark shows that this sentence is in interrogative form. So what we will do? We will write play. Now in interrogative sentences, what happens? Now helping verbs are always there, alright, but in interrogative sentences we change the position of subject and the helping verb. So subject has come in the second place. So play will come here, play, and it will become ing form, playing. So what will come here? Dash they playing chess. Now they is the subject, alright, and this they is in your plural form. So with the plural subject we use are. So because this is present continuous, it is clearly written in the question. So we will use are with the plural subject. Are they playing chess? Alright. Next is dash I dash hard question mark. Now again you can see here again question mark is here. That means it is an interrogative sentence, and also the subject is in second place. All right, second position. So again what we will do, we will write a helping verb here in the starting, and then we will write the verb in ing form in here in this dash. So the helping verb, first of all we will write helping verb work plus ing, it will become working, and I this is the subject here. So in present continuous with I we use am. What helping verb we use with I in present continuous? Am. So here it will come am. Am I working hard? All right. Next is the students dash lunch in the canteen. All right. Now students means this subject students is in plural form. So with plural subjects we use helping verbs are. The students are, and the verb is have, so it will become having. Students are having. I have told you that the verbs which end with e, before putting ing we will remove e and then we will add ing. We are having lunch in the canteen. Students are having lunch in the canteen. Students is a plural, so we have added are because we are doing question in present continuous tense. All right. Next question is we dash by train. Now again in the bracket it's given not go. So not means it is an negative sentence. So not will remain the same here, and go is your main verb and we will add ing to it. We not going by train. So what is missing here? It is missing a helping verb. Now helping verb we use according to the subject. Subject is plural here. We is a plural subject. So we will write are. We are not going by train. Because why are? Because are, we are talking about the sentences in present continuous. So that's why we will use are. Okay. Now let's see the another question where we have another set of sentences. Question number 2. Complete the sentences by using the past continuous form of the verb given in the bracket. Now, when we are having continuous form of the verb, it means ing form of the verbs. But if it is past, present, future, there we have to be very careful when we are adding helping verbs. All right. We have to be very careful about the helping verbs we are using according to the tenses. If it is present continuous, we will use helping verbs is, am, are, as we have done in the previous question right now. All right. And now in the second question, it is past continuous. So in continuous form of verbs will remain in the ing form, but in the past continuous form we use the helping verbs was and were. Was we use with singular subject and were we use with plural subject. All right. Now let's see how it goes. Yesterday, first is yesterday at 6 I dash dinner. Now prepare. Now prepare is a verb and it is in continuous. We have to make it in continuous. So continuous means ing of this verb given. So it will become P-A-R-I-N-G. Preparing. I have told you we will remove E and we will just add ing. Alright. So yesterday at 6 I dash preparing dinner. Because in the question it is clearly said that we have to change it in past continuous. So past means we will not add here am, because am goes with the present continuous. So which helping verb we will use here? We will use, because it is past, we will use was. Alright. I was preparing dinner. Alright. Next question is I dash the guitar when he came home. Now it's practice here. So practice will become practicing. Practice will become practicing. And with I again we will use was. I was. Why was? Because was we are talking about past continuous. So that's why we will use verb was here. We dash all day, not cycle. In the bracket it's given not cycle, so not is your negative sentence. Not is used for negative sentence. Cycling. So here we is your plural subject, so we will write were, because it is past continuous, past, so we will write were. We were not cycling all day. All right. Next question, next sentence is I tried to tell them, but I tried to tell them the truth, but they dash listen not. It means that again not is here, so it means that not is a negative sentence, not is used for negative, so we will write not listening, L-I-S-T-E-N, listening, ing. Alright, listening is your verb. I tried to tell them the truth, but they. Now they is your plural subject and we have to use the past continuous form. So past means continuous, so we have added, but past means were. I tried to tell them the truth, but they were not listening. Right? Next is dash she dash beautifully. Now she is your subject which is written in the second place, and here it is question mark also given, so it means that this sentence is in interrogative form. So dance is your verb given, so we will write dancing here, dancing. Now because this sentence we are making in past continuous, be very careful. Past continuous means that we have to add was or were. Continuous we have made, now we have to think about the past, what we use with continuous ing form of verb with past. So past means was or were. So this subject is in singular form, so we will write was. Was she dancing beautifully? Alright. Next is dash they dash at me. Again this is a same question which we have done in 5 number. Alright. So laugh. So laugh will come here and we will add ing. It will become laughing. It means continuous. And they is your plural subject. That means it will come where were will come here. Were they laughing at me? Okay. Next is most of the time we dash in the park. Now most of the time, sit is your verb here. We will write sitting, S-I-T, and it will become ing. Sitting, in sitting we just double the T here. Most of the times we. Now we is again your plural subject, so we will add here were. Most of the time we were sitting in the park. Question number 3. Complete the sentences by using the correct form of the verb in the bracket. Now here, now this you have to change in future continuous, right? So let's begin the first one. At 9, I dash the news. Now future continuous means ing form of the verb. It means watching, but which helping verb will be using in future continuous? Like in present continuous we were using helping verb is mr with ing form of the verb. In past continuous we were using was were with ing form of the verb. But in future continuous tense the verb helping verb which we will use is will be. At 9 I will be, this verb in continuous form, watching. Okay, at 9 I will be watching the news. Next question is they dash all day dance. So it is future continuous, so it will become will be dancing. Okay. Next is he dash football. He, now it's play, verb is play, so it will be he will be playing football. Okay. Next is dash they dash again. Now here question mark is there and the subject is in second place. It means this question is in interrogative form. So what we will do, we will write. Now in the interrogative form, future continuous interrogative form, what we do, we will write will here and we will write be after the subject. Will they be fighting? Fighting. Will they be fighting again? Alright. So only you will change the position of will and they, and be will remain in the third place only. Then the verb in the ing form. Next is I dash 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 all afternoon. Not work. So not is your negative sentence. So not will remain in the third place, and then working, and it will be. I will be not working all afternoon. Alright. Now next look at the exercise number 2. Question is the change these sentences as instructed and rewrite them in your notebook. Now in this exercise what you have to do is you have to read this sentence which has been given to you, and in the bracket there is another tense, alright, that you have to change into. It means that in the sentence the tense is different, another tense is given, and what you have to do, you have to change that given sentence according to the tense form which has been given you in the bracket. So let's read. Let me tell you how. Let's read first. Diya gifted her friend a beautiful vintage lace tablecloth. Now Diya gifted. Gifted is in your second form, alright, and it is in second place. After the subject directly it is written second form of the verb. Diya gifted. So it is in simple past, positive sentence. But what you have to do, you have to change the sentence in future continuous. So future continuous means ing form of the verb. So which verb is given here? Gifted. Alright, and gifted is in past tense. It is in second form. So we have to make it continuous. Continuous means you will add ing to gift. Alright, so it will become gifting. Now it is future. Future means you will need to put a helping verb also. So which helping verb we use for future tense? It is will be. So our new sentence according to this instruction in the bracket is Diya. The subject is Diya. Because it is future, so it will become will be, and it is continuous, so it will become gifting, will be gifting her friend. Rest of the sentence will remain the same. A beautiful vintage lace table cloth. Alright, like this. Next question is Tanya learnt acting at this institute. Now Tanya learnt, again learnt is your second form of the verb and it is used in past tense, simple past tense, positive sentence. Alright, so and in the bracket we have to change the sentence in present continuous. So basically first we will identify the verb. Verb is learnt. It means the first form of the learnt is learn. Okay, so what you will do, it is continuous, so you will add ing to verb learn. So and it is present, then which verb we will use? Is, am or are. So if the verb is singular, we will use is. If the subject is I, we will use am, and if the verb is plural, we will use are. But the verb here given is Tanya, that is singular subject. So which helping verb we will use according to the present continuous? We will use is. So it will become Tanya is. We have used is because the subject is singular, and also we have to change it in present continuous. So for making present we have added is, and for continuous we will write learning. Tanya is learning. Rest of the sentence will be remain same at this institute. Okay. Next question. Next sentence is Mia drew a sketch of her kitten's face. Now this sentence you have to change in past continuous. Now drew is again a second form of the verb draw. Okay, drew is the second form of the verb draw. Draw is the main verb. So you have to change this drew into draw plus ing because we have to change it in continuous. The draw will become drawing ing because it is in continuous, but we need to add a helping verb also. So because it is past, we will use was or were. So was with singular subject, were with plural subject. Here a name is given, a name of a girl, only one girl. So it means the subject, we have the subjects in singular form. So Mia, so with singular subject we will use was. Mia was draw. The first form of drew is draw and it is continuous, so we will add ing. Mia was drawing a sketch of her kitten's face. Full stop. Okay. Next is Vijay will bowl first. This sentence we have to change in future continuous. Now here you can see that it is will given here already. It means this sentence is in simple future tense, positive sentence. Alright, this is simple future positive sentence. So we have to make it in future continuous. So in future continuous, first of all what we will find out, the verb. Verb is bowl. So in bowl we will add ing and with will we will add be. So the sentence will become Vijay will be bowling first. Okay. Next is the children waited patiently for the show to start. It's present continuous. Now here we have to change in present continuous. Waited again is in verb in the second form. The first form of waited is wait. So what we have to do? Continuous tense is given. So we will write ing to wait. Okay, so it will become waiting. So the children, now the subject is in plural form, so we will add were. The children were, we have to change it in present. So with present we will write are. The children are, because this is a plural subject and we have to make it in present. So with plural present tense we use are. Children are waiting patiently for the show to start. Alright. Next question and the last is Arundhati will be teaching history at this school. We have to change the sentence in past continuous. Now in this sentence you can see that it is given will be. Okay, the verb will be, helping verb is will be, and the verb teach is in ing form. It is already in ing form. That means this sentence is in, will shows that it is future tense. Okay, so the sentence is in future continuous tense because ing form of verb is already given. So this sentence is in future continuous tense and we have to change it in past continuous. So what we have to do, we have to just make only one change here, that we have to change this helping verb in past tense. The helping verb is given in future tense and we have to change it in past. Teaching, the verb in ing form is already given, so we no need to change this. Teaching is already in continuous. So all we have to change is Arundhati will be, we have to change to past. So past, Arundhati is a singular subject, so we will write was. For past we use was. Arundhati was teaching history, rest of the sentence will remain the same, at this school. This is your small letter school. All right, now this, I hope you have understood all the exercises and how we have done it. So children, you can practice this exercise at your home also with another set of sentences. You can take the help of your book if you are having, or you can take the help of net also for a practice exercise practice. All right, so till the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.